Shiva is often seen wearing tiger skin or sitting with a tiger skin around him. It is said tiger's skin defines Shiva as the controller of all the powers in the world. But how Shiva got tiger skin when he started wearing it? Behind it, there is a story tells why Shiva wears a tiger skin. According to Shiv Puran, Lord Shiva went to visit the whole universe. While wandering, he went to a forest. Many monks used to live there with their family. When Shiva passed through that forest, he was naked. He never cared about the naked body. At that time, seeing Lord Shiva, the wives of monks got attracted by Shiva. All of them got fascinated for Shiva in their hearts. They were desired for Shiva. When monks came to know about that, they got angry. Monks didn't know about Shiva. They considered him as a common guy. All the monks decided to teach a lesson. They made a big pit on the way where Shiva passed. Next day, when Shiva passed through it, he fell into the pit. Then monks threw a tiger into the pit. But it was not a big task for Shiva. Shiva killed the tiger, tore his skin and wrapped around his body and came out from the pit. And monks realized one who could easily conquer their power, not an ordinary man. Whole community fell at Shiva's feet. Since then, Shiva has been wearing tiger skin, which symbolically shows power of power. Another thing about Shiva is why Lord Shiva wears a snake in his neck. Snakes serve Lord as necklace. It is said all the snakes found on the Shiva's body became ornaments during his marriage with Parvati. Lord Shiva shows us that he controls the fear and death by wearing a snake. So there is a story. When the snakes community were in danger, they approached Shiva for shelter. Shiva provided shelter in Kailash mountain. But due to cold, the snakes used Shiva's body to get the warmth of body. The most famous association of Lord Shiva with snake is during the Samudra Manthan. Shiva took poison, came out from snake Vasuki, who was used as a rope in the churning. The blue-throated Shiva is the result of swallowing the snake poison. According to Skand Puran, at the time of marriage, when goddess Parvati asked Shiva what all the ornaments he brought for her, then Shiva gathered all the poisonous snakes of the world and made ornaments. Snakes became different ornaments. Now let's talk about Rudra avatar of Lord Shiva. Rudra is one of the popular names of Shiva, used in the Vedas to refer himself. The worship of Rudra form of Shiva keeps the mind pure and removes a bad feeling from the mind. So there is a story of 11 forms of Shiva as Rudra. One day, Brahma asked Rudra to create some powerful beings. Owing to that request, Shiva created 11 immortal beings who are known as Kapali Pingala Bhima, Virupaksha Vilohita, Alesha Sashana Sasta, Shambhu Chanda and Dhruva. Being head of this Rudra, Shiva is addressed as Rudra. Now we have discussion how Rudraksh was originated. As per Hindu mythology, Shiva had a battle with a very powerful demon named Andhak. He had become so powerful as he had gathered a great number of boons from various devtas, and some of them he got from Shiva himself. Empowered with such immense power, he started harassing human beings, monks and devtas also. They were unable to face him. That was a time to request Shiva. Gods asked Shiva to destroy demon. After having heard about Andhak, Shiva decided to do needful. However, it was difficult for Shiva also to kill him. Thus, Lord Shiva and Andhak had a dangerous fight which was fought for long time. But finally, Shiva destroyed him. Shiva was exhausted at the end of the duel, and he found a rock and sat over it for the rest. At the same time, he was delighted to have gotten rid of this menace. The famous tears of Lord Shiva in this case are those which rolled down from his eyes on his cheeks. Then the tears gave birth to Rudraksh tree.